Russian gasoline flows to Europe fall, hindering bid to replenish stores. London Russian fuel supply to Europe through the Nord Stream 1 pipeline fell further on Thursday, and Moscow said greater delays in upkeep ought to result in postponing all flows, putting a brake Europe's race to fill up its gas inventories. Faltering flows come because the leaders of Germany, Italy and France visit Ukraine, which is pressing for quicker weapons deliveries to warfare invading Russian forces and needs support for Kyiv's bid to sign up for the European Union. Russia's state-controlled Gazprom (GAZP) stated on Thursday it became lowering deliver for a second time in as many days via Nord Stream 1, which runs underneath the Baltic to Germany. The latest move cuts deliver to just 40% of the pipeline's capability. It has said cuts have been essential because of the not-on-time go-back of systems sent to Canada for maintenance, a proof the German regulator stated became technically unfounded. Germany's authorities stated Russia desired to power gas fees higher. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov stated on Thursday discounts in supply have been now not premeditated and repeated that disruptions were because of upkeep problems. Dutch wholesale fuel prices, the European benchmark, jumped up to 30% on Thursday morning. Russia's ambassador to the European Union told state information organization RIA Novosti flows via the pipeline may be suspended due to issues in repairing turbines in Canada. Nord Stream 1 has potential to pump approximately 55 billion cubic meters (BCM) a year to the European Union, which ultimate year imported approximately 140 BCM of gasoline from Russia through pipelines. Germany, like other European countries, is racing to fill up its gasoline garage centers so they're 80% full by means of October and 90% through November earlier than winter arrives. Stores are 56% complete now. Cutting flows through Nord Stream 1 might make that process tougher, the head of the Germany energy regulator stated. We could possibly get through the summer as the heating season is over. But it's miles imperative that we fill the garage centers to get through the winter, Klaus Muller instructed Thursday's edition of Rheinische Post day by day. Europe races to refill storage. Uniper, Germany's biggest importer of Russian fuel, stated elements had been down 1/4 on agreed volumes, but it is able to fill missing volumes from different assets. Power manufacturer RWE stated it had seen regulations inside the beyond 2 days. The European Union pursuits to make certain gas garage centers across the 27-nation bloc are 80% complete by using November. But other European nations also are dealing with falling Russian resources. Slovakia's state-owned gasoline importer SPP stated it predicted Thursday's Russian gas deliveries to be decreased with the aid of about 30%, even as Czech energy software CEZ said it had visible a similar fall, however was filling the gap from different sources. Austria's OMV stated Gazprom knowledgeable it of reduced deliveries, and France's Engie said flows had down, however clients have been now not affected. Flows to Italy additionally fell. Adding to the mission, Nord Stream 1 will close absolutely in the course of the pipeline's annual upkeep on July 11, 2021. Norway, Europe's second-largest exporter in the back of Russia, has been pushing up manufacturing to assist the European Union in the direction of its target of ending reliance on Russian fossil fuels by using 2027. Britain's Centrica OTC, CPYYY, signed a COP with Norway's Equinor for additional gasoline components to the UK for the next 3 winters. Britain does no longer depend upon Russian fuel and can also export to Europe via pipelines. European states have additionally boosted liquefied natural fuel (LNG) imports, but Europe has limited LNG import capability, and the already tight LNG marketplace has faced additional demanding situations with disruptions to U.S. LNG production. A fire closing week at a U.S. LNG export plant in Texas, operated through Freeport LNG, method the plant could be offline until September and could function best partially from then until the cease of 2022. The facility, which accounts for approximately 20% of U.S. LNG exports, has been a prime provider to European shoppers. There is risk of similarly postpone, in our view, analysts at investment bank Jefferies stated, adding that regulators want to approve the restart while 2 investigations had been ongoing into the reason of the LNG leak at the plant.